You want to know how to farm materials properly while progressing? So we have also created videos like how to simply farm resources or goals. But in this video, we will do it while progressing our game or leveling up as well. So I'm going to explain you some steps which will definitely help you out. So gold and materials are essential for hero upgrades. Target high yield nodes and events on the map instead of low value areas. Make sure you do this. This helps a lot in finding real materials like gold, which is really rare. Use heroes with movement boost to reach more nodes in less time. So if your hero is fast, it does help a lot than you expect. So combining smart farming with daily missions ensures that your resources never run dry and keeps progressing smooth. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.